Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to crop your video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in Adobe Premiere Pro and this would be a sample footage. So if you want to crop this footage, then we can go and crop it using our effects panel right here. So go into your effects. So if you can see your effects, it's under here on Windows, and make sure to click effects right here. And once you're in effects, you want to type simply crop. And you want to drag it, this transition right here under video effects. Drag it into your video that you want to crop, and from here you can crop it right here on your effect controls, and you can control it by increasing the values of the left crop, the top crop, and the right crop, and so on. Or in the bottom you can also do that right here, so you can crop it this way right there. But if you're wondering how you can crop with freeform, for example, you want to crop a circle, you won't be able to do it right here with the crop. So with the values by adjusting it, because this is only like this. So to do that, you can go into this one right here. You can click this button, create ellipse mask, and from here you can go and adjust this however you'd want. And after that, then you can just go click our inverted or so on right there. But I don't really recommend that you do it here just under the crop effect. I suggest that you go into opacity right here, opacity or expand opacity, and do it from here. Create an ellipse mask so that it can be like this. This is what I recommend you to do, and you can do it right here. You can also go for rectangle, or you can freeform. So let's just undo this. You can also do this right here. If you want to crop like this one right here, you can also do it by right here by going into opacity and using the pen tool right there, and you can crop it like this. So yeah, that is basically how you do it. Thank you for watching.